Have you noticed your morning erections becoming less frequent or even disappearing completely? For many men, this change begins slowly, and then one day it becomes impossible to ignore. But there is something most men don't realize. Your morning erections are one of the strongest indicators of your overall health, especially your cardiovascular health, hormone balance, sleep quality, and blood circulation. So when they fade, your body is trying to warn you about something deeper. In this video, you and I will break it all down in a simple and research-based way. You will learn why morning wood happens, why it decreases with age, what it means for your long-term health, the real science-backed causes behind the decline, and most importantly, what you can do starting today to bring it back safely and naturally. Stay with me until the end because I will share a complete, step-by-step 30-day plan many experts recommend to restore your morning erections naturally. Let's begin. What morning wood actually means. Morning wood, also known as nocturnal penile tumescence, is a completely natural response during sleep. It mostly happens during REM sleep, the same stage where dreaming occurs. When you're in REM sleep, several things happen inside your body. Blood flow increases, testosterone levels naturally rise, stress hormones like cortisol drop, and your nervous system shifts into a relaxed state. All of these changes work together to trigger spontaneous erections during the night and early morning. But here is the important part. Regular morning erections are more than just a sexual function. They are a built-in system check that shows your blood vessels, nerves, hormones, and sleep patterns are working properly. That is why urologists often say that losing morning erections is rarely just aging. It is usually a sign that one or more of these systems is struggling. Now let's talk about why this happens. There are 5 main reasons morning erections fade as men get older. Reason number 1, testosterone gradually declines. Starting around age 30, testosterone drops around 1 to 2% per year. Lower testosterone means reduced nighttime blood flow, fewer erection signals, and weaker morning erections overall. Reason number 2, reduced blood flow. This is actually the number 1 cause. As men age, blood vessels can become stiffer and less elastic. If the arteries cannot push blood efficiently, the first place this shows up is in nighttime erections. Many doctors even consider the loss of morning wood an early warning sign of developing cardiovascular problems. Reason number 3, poor sleep quality. REM sleep is required for morning erections, but aging often brings insomnia, snoring, stress, or sleep apnea, all of which reduce REM sleep and weaken morning wood. Reason number 4, rising stress and cortisol. Men deal with greater pressure as they age. Work stress, financial pressure, family responsibilities, and chronic inflammation. High cortisol blocks testosterone production and interferes with nighttime blood flow. Reason number 5, weight gain and metabolism changes. Extra belly fat converts testosterone into estrogen, which lowers sex hormones and weakens erections. This is extremely common in men over 40. Medical conditions that block morning wood. Besides natural aging, several medical conditions can drastically reduce morning erections. Sleep apnea is one of the strongest predictors. A lack of oxygen and disrupted sleep cycles stop REM sleep entirely. High blood pressure damages blood vessels and reduces circulation. Diabetes affects both nerves and blood flow. Obesity lowers testosterone and increases inflammation. Depression or high stress elevates cortisol, and hormonal disorders, including low testosterone or thyroid issues, interfere with nighttime erections. If morning wood has been missing for a long time, these conditions might be worth checking. Habits that destroy morning erections. Now let's talk about everyday habits that weaken morning erections without men realizing it. Eating late at night, drinking alcohol before bed, high caffeine intake, a diet heavy in sugar or processed foods, sitting for long periods, smoking, staying on screens until 2 in the morning, sleeping only 4 or 5 hours a night. All of these habits affect hormones, blood flow, or sleep cycles. How to restore morning wood. The science-backed methods. Now comes the most important part. How do you bring morning wood back? Here are the proven, research-supported strategies. Method number 1, improve blood flow. This is the number 1 fix. Daily brisk walking for just 10 minutes increases nitric oxide, which is essential for erections. Eating foods like beets, spinach, or pomegranates boosts blood flow naturally. Losing even 5 to 7% of your body weight can significantly improve erection strength. And stopping smoking is one of the fastest ways to restore vascular function. Method number 2, improve sleep quality, because morning wood depends on REM sleep. Here's a simple nightly routine that works for many men. Avoid screens for 1 hour before bed, sleep in a cool and dark room, keep a consistent sleep schedule, avoid caffeine after 2 p.m., and consider magnesium glycinate if your doctor approves. Many men report that improving sleep alone brings morning erections back within weeks. Method number 3, reduce cortisol and chronic stress. Practice deep breathing, meditation, light evening walks, or simply slow down your evenings. If approved by a doctor, ashwagandha can help lower cortisol naturally. Method number 4, boost natural testosterone. Strength training 3 times a week, sunlight exposure, healthy fats such as olive oil, nuts, eggs, and avocados, vitamin D and zinc if needed, lowering alcohol, and reducing belly fat. When testosterone rises naturally, nighttime erections often return. Method number 5, check and correct hormones with a doctor if needed. When the underlying condition is treated, erections often improve. Method number 6, strengthen the pelvic floor. A weak pelvic floor means weaker erections. Doing Kegels for 5 minutes a day improves blood flow and erection strength noticeably. Method number 7, improve your diet for your heart, because erections start in the arteries. Eat more berries, leafy greens, salmon, olive oil, nuts, and whole grains. Reduce sugar, processed foods, trans fats, and heavy fried foods. Method number 8, reduce alcohol. Alcohol interferes with REM sleep, testosterone, and blood flow. Many men see major improvement simply by cutting back. Method number 9, treat underlying conditions. Managing diabetes, blood pressure, obesity, and sleep apnea often restores morning erections naturally. Now, let me give you the exact 30-day blueprint. During week 1, focus on sleep and stress. Go to bed at the same time each night, avoid screens before bed, walk for 10 minutes daily, take 3 deep breathing breaks throughout the day, and stop caffeine after 2 p.m. During week 2, focus on blood flow. Eat beets, spinach, or berries daily, walk or do light workouts, cut sugar, and if you smoke, this is the week to stop. During week 3, focus on testosterone. Begin strength training 3 times a week, eat healthy fats daily, get sunlight each morning, reduce alcohol as much as possible, and reduce belly fat. When testosterone rises naturally, nighttime erections often return. During week 4, focus on the pelvic floor and assessment. Do daily Kegel exercises, add 15 minutes of cardio, and if you still see no improvement, consider medical testing to find any hidden issues. Losing morning wood does not mean you're broken or unhealthy. It simply means your body is signaling that something needs attention. And the good news is, for most men, this issue can be corrected naturally with the strategies we covered. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and share what topic you'd like to see next. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.